So, my rant today. Do you need further proof that the world is upside down? Do you need further proof that everything has gone crazy and I feel an implosion coming soon? I read this in the news today. The Vineland City Council is voting. They do not want ICE, immigration, to qualify at their range. They pay $8,000 a year. They drive from Philadelphia twice a year to practice for $8,000 because they do not want their immigrant, aka illegal population, being worried. So we're going to prevent law enforcement from doing their job, coming to practice and qualify. The same law enforcement that would protect these crazy people, by the way. I don't understand. I don't know when this is going to stop. But I'll tell you right now, anybody who works at ICE in the Philly office, if you want to come up and qualify at my range for free, you're more than welcome to do it. Because at Gun for Hire, we're not crazy and we back the blue.